Okay, welcome to Microsoft. Welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and I have a surprise for you guys today. So I talked to Sam McKay at Enterprise DNA, and Enterprise DNA, all the folks there, are super cool. They've kind of headed a different direction from Power BI and more into the artificial intelligence, machine learning type stuff. And so I got authorization to release the Enterprise DNA tool set for free. Previously, you had to have an Enterprise DNA subscription to be able to download it. All right, so what you can do, you can go out to here, github.com, gdeckler, Microsoft hates Greg's quick measures. And yes, you can see from all the image flip tabs that I have been hard at work creating new memes. So don't expect that to change. And then you'll find this file right here, enterprise DNA installer.msi. All you have to do is download it, run it. I just uploaded it 15 minutes ago. And away you can go, man. And once you have it installed, next time you launch Power BI, right, you'll have a bunch of icons here. So Enterprise DNA website, if you want to go there, it's just a link that opens it up. Quick Measures Pro to kind of a better version of Quick Measure of Microsoft Hates Greg Quick Measures, PowerSort Pro, Metadata Mechanic Pro, Conductor Pro, and then the one that's never been released for free before is DAX Editor Pro. You can click on that. Of course, it's going to come up in my other screen here. So yeah, I mean, it's just a simple DAX editor. You can actually create measures in that or create columns right within any table that you want. It's got different. It has a dark mode of all things, and several other different themes. Of course, it has to have a pickle theme. So it's got some things like comment first or comments last. Again, easy to uncomment, comment stuff. Has a debug mode, which attempts to run your DAX code. It's really useful. It's better if you have used variables a lot. Then for each variable, it tries to run the DAX code up until that variable, and then show you what that variable, or that table bar is going, the information that holds in it. It's okay. Again, let me know if there's some things that I never really quite got completely right. Some of the type ahead stuff and things like that. But give it a try. See what you think about it. The nice thing when you're creating your measures, right, you can add all your metadata right to them, whether they're hidden or not. Pick your data category if you want a data category for it, versus having to go through extra steps, right? You can do everything when you create your measure and get everything set the way you want it, save time. Yeah, so let me know what you think about it. I don't have some of the new DAX functions, won't be recognized necessarily or won't be color coded properly because I haven't gone back in and edited them. I literally just took the MSI file, shoved it up there on GitHub. But if there's enough interest in the tool, I can take a look at, adding in the new DAX functions or trying to fix type ahead once and for all, some of that sort of stuff. Adding new features on that. So let me know in the comments. Give me some feedback. See what you think about it. Yeah, and hope you guys enjoy it, man. I was really hats off to Enterprise DNA and the whole group there. Super great. It was super great working with them. And, again, I think they show how much they care about the community and how cool they are that they allow me to release this stuff for free. So take a look and enjoy, man. I'll talk to you guys next time.